The following instructions will guide you to assemble your Edge barbecue. Your Matador Edge built-in gas barbecue can be installed using the hanging brackets or using the mounting stand and support legs. Ensure you follow all safety information included in the instructions manual relating to cylinder ventilation and required clearances. Your barbecue must be installed in a non-combustible enclosure. To install your barbecue using the hanging brackets, attach a hanging bracket to either side of the barbecue and secure using two M6x16mm screws. To install your barbecue onto a flat surface, locate the left and right hand support legs. Attach the left hand support leg to the left side of the barbecue, and partially secure it to the bottom of the firebox using two M6x12mm screws. Secure the leg support through the bottom of the firebox, using the M6x25mm butterfly screws. Repeat this step with the right hand leg support, on the right side of the barbecue. To assemble the grease tray, turn it over so the peak is facing towards you. Attach the right hand bracket to the grease tray using two M4x10mm screws. Repeat this step on the other side of the grease tray using the left hand bracket. Attach the front bracket using one M4x8mm screw. Attach the handle to the brackets on the grease tray using six M4x8mm screws. Insert the grease cup underneath the grease tray by sliding it into its location rails. Slide the grease tray into the two rails that are below the firebox, until the front of the tray passes over the small stop situated on the front of the rails. Unscrew the rear burner ignition switch and insert the supplied AAA battery. Insert with the positive end facing outwards. Replace cap and tighten to complete this step. Place the flame tamers over the top of the burners, starting from the left-hand side of the firebox. If you have a 4-burner Edge built-in barbecue, there are 2 flame tamers. If you have a 6-burner Edge built-in barbecue, there are 4 flame tamers. Carefully lower and place the cooking grate into the firebox above the flame tamers on the left-hand side of the barbecue, and place the solid hot plate into the firebox above the burners on the right side of the barbecue. Ensure the grill and plate is sloping towards the front of the barbecue. Locate the legs of the warming rack into the resting points, located at the top of the firebox above the cooking surface. Install with the open side of the rack facing towards you. That completes the assembly of your built-in Edge barbecue. Ensure you follow all important safety instructions in the manual regarding connection to your gas source, installation and use.